Hey everyone, if you're having guests for the game this weekend or want to make a great drink with some cold brew and our favorite, some bourbon, the blackened bourbon is one of our more popular drinks. We're going to make one today. It's real simple. We're going to start out with 1.5 ounces of our Black Ice Brew cold brew concentrate. We have a cocktail shaker with some ice in here. There's 1.5 ounces of that. And then we are going to do 1 ounce of bourbon. Take your pick, any kind. We have the big bottle. 1 ounce of bourbon.
Because why get the small bottle?
Because why get the small bottle? 1 ounce of bourbon. 1 ounce of heavy cream.
No fancy container for this one.
No fancy container. We need to get a Food Network producer in here. And 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. That's the magic right there. 1/2 ounce of maple syrup over ice. And
I don't choose shaking. Let him do the shaking.
shake vigorously.
Or
You could.
Or you could do this a dry shake without the ice. It just makes it more frothy. No explosions.
No explosions. That's a good thing. Gonna strain this out. I like to garnish this with just a little bit of nutmeg. Again, nothing fancy here. We're just making a drink. Enjoy.
We can't
Cheers.
make two.
There's two. If you were to make a large amount, there is a recipe on our website that you can make this for a crowd. You can mix it in any old pitcher, but that's actually one of the great reuses for a Chemex too. So
That and sangria.
That and sangria. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Can I have some? That's good.
Tasty.